English vocabulary. Names of vegetables. Turnip. Turnip. A turnip is a root vegetable and the white fleshy edible part is called the taproot. Turnip. Red pepper. Red pepper. Red pepper, a pepper from the bell pepper family, is sometimes called the sweet pepper. Red pepper. Artichoke. Artichoke. The artichoke is actually the bud of a thistle, which means a flower. The leaves cover a fuzzy center called the choke. Artichoke. Celery. Celery. Celery is a marshland plant. It is low in calorie, containing mainly water and fiber. Celery. Tomato. Tomato. Botanically, tomato is a fruit from the berry family. Tomato. Carrot. Carrot. The carrot we eat today is the domesticated version of the wild carrot. Carrot. Potato. Potato. Potato is a household staple and can be used in many things. Potato. Onion. Onion. Onion, which is also called bulb onion, is one of the most cultivated vegetable and a goodness powerhouse. Onions are a great friend to our hearts. Onion. Eggplant. Eggplant. The name of eggplant was given by Europeans in the middle of the 18th century because the variety they knew had fruits that were the shape and size of goose eggs. Eggplant. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is scientifically a fruit because it contains seeds. Pumpkins belong to the family of winter squash. Pumpkin. Lettuce. Lettuce. Lettuce is most often used for salads, although it can be used in other kinds of food such as soups, sandwiches, and wraps. It can also be grilled. Lettuce. Radish. Radish. Radish is mostly eaten raw as a crunchy salad vegetable. Radish. Broccoli. Broccoli. Broccoli is a green vegetable that vaguely resembles a miniature tree. Broccoli. Corn. Corn. Corn helps in digestion because of its high fiber content. Corn. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumbers have a mild, refreshing taste and high water content. Cucumber. Shallot. Shallot. Shallots are a variety of onion. Shallot. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato belongs to the morning glory family. Doesn't look like a flower although. Sweet potato. Parsnip. Parsnip. Parsnip is sweeter in flavor after the winter frost melts. Parsnip. Capsicum. 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 The pepper has many variants based on its color. Capsicum. Mushroom. Mushroom. Mushroom or toadstool is the fleshy spore-bearing fungus typically produced above ground or in soil. Mushroom. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is full of vitamin C and vitamin K. Cabbage. Garlic. Garlic. Garlic is used as a spice and an everyday medicine throughout the world. According to a popular myth, it also keeps the vampires at bay. Garlic. Leek. Leek. Leek belongs to the onion family and is a popular condiment used in soups. Leek. Chili. Chili. Chili pepper is widely used as a spice in many cuisines to add heat to dishes. Chili. Ginger. Ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant whose rhizome or root is widely used as a spice and a folk medicine. Ginger. Peas. Peas. Like other legumes, pea seeds are a protein powerhouse. Peas. Mint. Mint. Mint is an aromatic herb which also goes by the Japanese name pudina in India. Mint. Beetroot. Beetroot. Beetroot is the biggest source of potassium. Beetroot. Spinach. Spinach. Spinach is an Asian herb. Spinach. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. The edible white part of a cauliflower are actually flower clusters. Cauliflower. Okra. Okra. Okra, or as it is commonly known, ladyfinger, is a flowering plant in the mallow family. Okra. Fennel. Fennel. Fennel is a flowering plant in the carrot family and is generally used for its seeds. I hope you liked today's session. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up to my channel. Thank you.